Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you 5 more hidden features on your P3 Volvo. Now I've done a video on this previously, so I'll stick that link in the description below so you guys can see the 5 tips there, but this is 5 more tips building on that video that you didn't know or you may not have known on your Volvo P3. So it's the S80, V70, V60 and XC70 and XC60. So our first hidden feature can be found in the boot of your Volvo. It's here on both the V70, S80 and XC60 and also the V60 as well, and it's this green little tab here, and it's an emergency fuel door release. So if I pull this, you'll see that the door pops open. Now this is useful if for any reason your electrical mechanism fails. You can open your fuel door still. Obviously it's not ideal, but it is a useful little thing in case of emergency. Secondly, you join me inside the car and I'm going to show you how to check your oil level on the electronic dipstick. All you need to do is insert the key like I have here, press and hold the start stop end button so that the ignition comes on, and then you could be able to scroll through once the message is cleared, and you should have, there we go, we should have our engine oil listed here. As you can see, the car is currently on a bit of a hill, so it's showing as over full, but it's a good little thing just to check the car every now and then. I can assure you that it isn't actually over full in real life. I've also got a dipstick, a physical dipstick that shows so. So yeah, just a useful little feature that you can see how high the oil level is in your car. Number 3 is regarding the electronic handbrake. So for those of you, some of you may know that these handbrakes do automatically remove themselves. However, if you don't have your seatbelt on, like I don't currently, as denoted by the light here, it will not release the handbrake. Now it's a good little feature because it means that you can't drive off without your seatbelt, but it also means that if you were getting out of the car and accidentally left it in drive and touched the accelerator pedal, the handbrake would stay on. In order to remove it, all you need to do is just pull the handbrake tab here, and the handbrake, as you can see, has now been removed. To put it back on, just push it, and there you go, the handbrake is back on. And like I said, it's a useful little tip for knowing. Our 4th tip is for those cold winter mornings where you need to de-ice your car. What you need to do is just get in the car, start the engine and set the car to defrost like you normally would, but instead of having to wait now, what we can do is remove the silver part of our key, the slide across tab, exit the vehicle and lock the door with our silver tab here, like so, and the car is now secure with the engine running, and you can go in and have a cup of tea and warm up in the morning. Now I will just take this time to say, please do excuse the state of the car. It's being used quite heavily at the moment on motorways and country roads, so that's why it is so filthy, but I'm going to be cleaning it shortly. Now the 5th and final hidden little feature are these little pouches on the front of the seats. They're not very useful, you can't get much in them. As you can see, I've got a little battery booster here, but they are useful for storing stuff like gloves. As you can see, I've got them on the driver's side there, things like that. Now I'm actually going to give you a bonus tip here, and that's going to do with the key. Now a lot of people know about this, some people don't, so I'm just going to cover it. But essentially you can press and hold unlock and it will make your windows go down, like so. So it's useful for the summertime, not that we're in summer at the moment and it's exceptionally noisy outside today, but it's useful in the summertime if you are coming up to the car and it's a really hot day and you want to let the heat out prior to getting in, or if you realise that you've left a window open, or you've yeah, for some reason left all your windows open, you can press and hold the lock button and it will close the windows. So yeah, that was 5 and 1 bonus tips on sort of your Volvo hidden features. Let me know what you thought. let me know if you knew any of these, or let me know if I've missed any in the series so far. I'm going to link them together as a playlist so you guys can watch a couple of videos. But from me, yeah, that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.